Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the graph challenges. You'll get these printouts in class and you're supposed to cut them in half and stick them into your notebooks, each on a different page. So we'll do this first graph challenge together. What is the velocity between 0 and 10 seconds? So first thing, I notice this is a position versus time graph. Position in units of meters, and we have the time in units of seconds. So I'm going to hold on to that information while I answer the questions. So the velocity between 0 and 10 seconds, I need the slope of the graph. So this is 0.000, 0, comma 0 here, and the x position is 10 seconds, the y position is 60 meters. So the slope is y2, that's the 60, minus y1, which is 0, over x2, which is 10, minus x1, which is 0. That's 60 over 10, or 6 meters per second. What is the velocity between 15 and 40 seconds? So I'm going to come here. This is at 15 seconds. I want to get the slope from here to here. I'll label this point. The x position is 15 seconds. The y is 60 meters. Down here we have 40 seconds, comma, the y position is negative 40 meters. So just like before, we're going to do y2, that's negative 40, minus y1, that's 60, over x2, that's 40, minus x1, that's 15, negative 40 minus 60, that's negative 100 meters up top, divided by 40 minus 15, that's 25 seconds on the bottom. So this is a velocity of negative 4 meters per second. What is the velocity between 40 and 55 seconds? Be careful, originally I had it at 50, but we want to do the 55 seconds. So this position here, the x is 55, the y is 0. So the velocity is y2, which is 0, minus y1, minus a negative 40, divided by x2, which is 55, minus 40. 0 minus a negative 40 is positive 40, divided by 15. I can plug this into my calculator. 40 over 15 is around 2.7 meters per second. Question number 4, during what time intervals is the object not moving? So it's when the object has no slope. There's a flat line between here to here, and that's it. So when the slope is 0, or there's a horizontal line for the graph, the object is not moving because velocity is 0. So that's between 10 to 15 seconds. The object is not moving or stationary. And then during which time intervals is the object traveling in the positive direction? When slope is positive, the object is going in the positive direction, or at least heading towards the positive direction. When slope is positive. So that is between two places, between 0 and 10 seconds. And let's see, and 40 to 55 seconds. And 40 to 55 seconds. Question number 6, during what time intervals is the object traveling in the negative direction? That is between when you have the negative slope, the object travels in the negative direction. So that's when slope is negative. And in this case, that's from 15 to 40 seconds. When you're finished with the other graphing challenges, you're finished analyzing the other graphs, make sure that these handouts are secured to your notebook. And thank you for watching. Study well.